Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Beverly, and today I'll be doing a review for the Bled store, or BLEDS store on Amazon. I reviewed two other things from them. Remember this gun they sent me, the glue gun that I use all the time, and a paper pad. Now I'm reviewing this journaling set. I saw it and I was like, oh, let me, reach out to them and see if they want me to review it. So it comes with washi tape and all these different stationery items in this pack. So I was like, this is really nice, and I could use in my Bible. And even you can still use this sticker that's on the outside of the paper of the bag, or even the whole bag itself. See, it says peel me. So you could peel it up and use it. I said feel me. So I'm gonna start off with this, which is, we have several butterfly stickers. These are butterfly stickers. They're all the same. No, they're different. So let me put them to the side. I like that. This is a nice staple to add to your Bible, or your journaling, if you're into journaling. These are two sets of acetate sticker sheets for what is like a window thing. You could put your picture behind here. You could even make this into a shaker for my crafty girls. These are like washi tape strips. You get two of each of those. I like those. These are nice. More butterflies. Two more butterflies. I like these. They got like flowers inside. Then we have the mini doilies. I love doilies, y'all. I got a punch that makes doilies that actually kind of look like this one. I got a couple of them, but I know it looks like this when you punch it out. Then we come to these stickers. So it's two of each. Flowers. Let's see. It says, name Lily, age 27, with a phone number. That's cute. And we have this one. It looks like a clipboard and a note with some flowers there. Lovely embellishments. Two of these. And these are stickers, they just pull right off. And this looks kind of like a cloche. I think it is a cloche, but it has a flower in there. And more flowers. We'll pull up all of these since they're looking the same. So these are all flowers, just different things. I don't think I want to go through all of them. Just a fast skim through. These are very nice. They have other journaling sets. They got another journaling set, and I think it comes with a tape runner. But I wanted this one because it had more pink accents in it for me. Oh, look at this butterfly. I love butterflies and flowers. and pink and all the things. These are nice. These are really nice. We got some butterflies. Ooh, these are pretty. Look at the bow. I like bows too. Butterflies and bows. And this looks like ribbon coming off a spool. That's nice. More butterflies. And it's more than you need. You could actually split this up and share it with a friend. These are acetate sheets again. The flowers and birds. Then you have this. These are wax seals. 4 wax seal stickers. They 4 separate stickers on the sheet. More butterflies. More butterflies. They're going to match to that flower that was alone. And look at this. It's a doily with the flowers. Distance makes the heart grow fonder. I love that. More of these 4 wax seals. More of these butterflies. And thingy here is more of these. Yeah, so it's a whole lot. Look at all of this. So, sorry about that, guys. My husband came in. So these are paper here. These you will have to use glue for. Look at this tag. I'm going to use that. I think I'm going to laminate some of these for my Bible. Let me leave that to the side. Because I'll tell you, I've been studying and I've been marking up all the things. I'm running out of bookmarks. So I got to just like make some more. And anything could be a bookmark when you have a laminator. It's 4 of these. Okay. These are nice. This is very nice. I said I wasn't going to go through the whole thing, but it's worth it. This is very nice. Thank you for accompanying me through the difficulties. I will not forget. Everybody know my difficulty that I had, you know, with the passing of my dad. That made me feel good just then. Look at this. This is nice. Oh. I just thought of something. Look at this. Turn this. Oh, this is gorgeous, guys. So I'm gonna have everything linked down below. I'm gonna have the link, the direct link to this item. That you could get it yourself. It's not expensive at all. I think it was like $11.99, $8.99 or something like that. Something around it, in those parameters. Look at that. I'm gonna come back and do a video, guys, and I'm gonna use some of these either in an art journal or show you how I use it inside of what you call it, my Bible, a real Bible, you know, the journaling Bibles and things of that sort. And here's the washi. I don't want to open it because it's a full stamp washi, so you could pull off one at a time and use it as you see fit. All the different flowers on there. This is gorgeous. I have a few of these, but not the exact. But anyway, I really want to thank the BLEDS store. They always reach out to me, and they always think of me to review their products. They're an awesome company. So like I said, I'm gonna have everything linked down below. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.